another episode of Science Girl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tattoo. So let's go on with the video. Let's go. So how you make this tattoo? You'll need eyeliner. Waterproof works best because if you're using one that's not waterproof, it might run, but waterproof doesn't run. But they do wash off. They do wash off. They last as long as you don't wash them. So yeah. And then you'll need some hairspray. So this is the hairspray that keeps your hair together. It I don't know how to explain it. It keeps it stuck together. I don't know how you explain it. But it's that kind of hairspray. Okay, so how you draw the tattoo. So I'm just gonna draw it on my wrist here, but you can draw it wherever you want. So you take your eyeliner and draw pretty much anything you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I am finished drawing it. I just tried to draw an anchor. It's not that good, but you get the idea. You can draw whatever you want, and then you take your hairspray, and then you just spray it. If it's non-waterproof eyeliner, then just spray it once. But if it's waterproof, then spray it twice or something. So I'm just gonna do that. If you don't have eyeliner at your house, you can get from Dollarama, or you can get it from pretty much anywhere that sells makeup. But you can get from Dollarama, and if you don't have hairspray that makes your hair kind of sticky, sticks your hair together and makes it stay or something. I don't know how to explain it, but you can get that also at Dollarama. So okay, so I'm done. I sprayed it, and now it is dry. So I actually rubbed it, so it got over there. That's why that's a bit there, but it's not completely. So yeah, just don't rub it or anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye, peace. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And comment back down below if this worked for you or if you have any video suggestions. So yeah. And yeah. Anyway, bye, peace.